Hey everybody, welcome back to Writer Groupie. Today is Scribbler Unboxing Day, and it's always a real fun time, and I hope you'll enjoy it. And I just want to tell you that this box this month is very heavy. They've got some heavy stuff in here, so I'm excited to find out what all is in here. I'm going to go get a knife so we can open up this box, and I hope that while I'm gone, you'll take the time to like and subscribe to Writer Groupie. I am still trying to get my first 100 subscribers, and y'all just don't know how hard that has been. I would really appreciate it if you would do that for me, and I'll be right back. Are you ready? Here we go. I got the box open here. Let's see what's in it. Well, I think I have it open. Got it upside down. No wonder. It should always say right. Right. And that. There you go. Here we go. This month, let me put my glasses on. This month, we have a Scribbler writing contest. And the question is, what memory affects or challenges your main character? You know, you guys, even though this is a part of my Scribbler subscription, y'all could take these as little muse tweakers. Why don't you write something about what memory affects or challenges your main character? That might benefit you as well. So there you go, tip for the day. And the fun stuff. Okay, so today, well, no wonder it's so heavy. It's root beer candies. Oh my goodness, y'all. My husband is gonna love this. He loves root beer candy. Okay, more flippies. And, ooh, it's a tote bag. Woohoo! Check it out. Nice tote bag. Can you read it? It says Scribbler. Writing is an Exploration by E.L. Doctorow. I love it. It looks like a ticket, you know, like an entrance to a movie. It says admit 1/03/21/2018 is the date on it. That's very exciting. I love tote bags. I know you do too. We have a bookmark this time. If there's a book you want to read, but it hasn't been written yet, then you must write it. Toni Morrison. Fabulous. And there it is, if you want to see that. On the back it says, good book essentials, an immersive setting, escapism is a must, characters to love, morally gray or otherwise, heart-stopping twists, enough to cause whiplash, witty dialogue, so you can use it in arguments, screaming at the page, works for any emotional state, a pretty cover, who signed off on a book this stunning, optional, new book smell, a dash of romance, and a four-legged friend. Well, I would say that those are definite good book essentials. Ooh, very cool, you guys. Inspiration and activities in a little notebook that says creativity. On the back it says, find what's true for you, true creativity. It's the moment when you feel that spark light up within. It's the place where your unique spirit aligns with your deep passions. And true creativity can only be found by investigating who you are. And this is a book full, you guys, full of inspirational things and things to spur your creativity. Delightful. Love these kinds of books. Now this month, our writing passport is on editing. Boy, you know I need this so bad. I'm excited to have this. I'm making a whole collection of these little passports. They're fun. They're full of great information. On the back it says, write without fear, edit without mercy. I need to plaster that all over the place. Here's our inside look at the publishing process for the month. And the invitation to an exclusive live chat with best-selling author Helen Schurer on November the 12th at 4 p.m. And I'm actually going to have time to make this special chat. I'm so excited. Helen Schurer is a best-selling fantasy author, best known for her trilogy, The Ormere Chronicles. She lives in New Zealand and works as a full-time author. You guys, go check out Ellen Shearer and the Ormere Chronicles. Here's my signed book plate. And guess what? Here's a book, and it's a big one, you guys. It's called These Toxic Things, a Thriller by Rachel Housel Hall, New York Times best-selling author. My book for this month. I'm so excited. You guys, I need a good book, and this is a fabulous looking one. Let's read the back. Mickey Lambert creates digital scrapbooks for clients, ensuring that precious souvenirs aren't forgotten or lost. When her latest client, Nadia Denham, a curio shop owner, dies from an apparent suicide, Mickey honors the old woman's last wish and begins curating her particular objet d'art. A music box, a hair clip, a keychain, 12 mementos in all that must have meant so much to Nadia, who collected them on her flea market scavages across the country. But these tokens mean a lot to someone else too. Mickey's been receiving threatening messages to leave Nadia's past alone. Oh my goodness, you guys. I'm so excited. And I'm gonna put my book plate inside of that book so I'll have a signed copy. And that is it for the Scribbler box for this month. You guys hang tight. I have a few final words, and I thought I would share my October milestones with you while I did this today, but since it's kind of a short video. Hang on, be right back. So are you enjoying the videos? Are you enjoying the Scribbler unboxings? Aren't they fabulous? You guys, you can go out and get your very own Scribbler subscription. My kids did this for me as a gift, and I have just thoroughly loved it. Okay, on to the milestones for October. Here we go. Let me find my place in my little planner here. It's been a fun month. Let me just tell you, I've been recovering from surgery and getting over all that. Okay, so in October, I started writing with a new co-writer. We write nearly every day, and the book is on task for January release. The fourth book in the Mount Moriah series, and I'm really excited about it. I, in October, helped a friend build a website, and we're not finished yet, and I need to do my own. I've got so much that I need to do to my own website, so that might be a November thing. A whole rebrand brainstorm is happening with me right now. I'm going through the change, as it were, of making a lot of adjustments on my website and my brand, and I hope you'll enjoy these changes when they come to fruition. I did make it to 3 writers groups meetings in October. I did brainstorm a small group for my library. I have to go chat with them about it, and that's definitely on task for November as well. I participated in Amber McCue's Planathon, and I will link it down below. If you're trying to break in and create a business, it's a must-do. I visited a marketing group. I got some good ideas, including a video to come. I'm going to do a video on some marketing things in November. So if you want a video on that, please let me know down below. Leave me a comment if you're interested in a video on marketing for authors, maybe even older authors, how they can market their work. I don't know yet. It's coming. It's in the brainstorm idea stage. Okay, so also, again, please don't forget to like and subscribe. My channel is really depending on you to give it a thumbs up when you see a video and to subscribe to the channel. I need 100 subscribers just to be able to get the URL to say Writer Groupie. And I don't know how that will look. I just know that that's what they say, that you have to have 100 subscribers. You have to have probably 1,000 subscribers and some 4,000 watch hours or some such thing as that to be able to get the next level of perks on YouTube. So please do that for me. I would appreciate it. And I will see you guys next Monday on Writer Groupie.